In the second part, I just want to go quickly through the main function of the game file, and then I just present quick gameplay, at least that's what is playable. So, game file, after loading all this stuff into vectors and arrays, probably they will have to add more load functions here. Then we'll display menu from which you can create new user, that's work, or log into existing account, but that function doesn't work yet. So then when you create new user, you start the game. You start new game display intro, which is loaded from file. Then it's just in that moment you really create a new user. If it's successfully created, you'll see help file, and then just let's go to user input. Here I have like options what you can do. Climb on some items in the room, does work. Open objects, it doesn't work 100% properly. You can open an object, you can find some items in it, but it didn't done it properly yet. Move function will be added to some furniture. You have to move it closer to another one to climb and get access to some chests, for example, hidden on the highest furniture. The look just print information about the room in which you are. Pickup function will be added to pick up some part of the key if they will be we'll place it not inside the furniture, but for example outside on some shelf or something. Combine, I'm not sure if I will use that in the end. Maybe I just leave it without combining, or just check if you have all of the parts in the key, then you can progress before without combining the key. Lift, if you have to lift some, there probably will be option to lift some small objects to put them on the, like build some steps or something like this. Solve, it's for the solving, will be for the solving riddles you get. Display help works, just display help file. Save, it's not done yet. Show inventory works, but the inventory is empty for now, so we'll check that later. And quit, just quick from the game. User item choice, it just, if you use to climb on something or open something, it just go firstly to the function, for example climb, then from here it check user choice, and depending on the character you choose for that, you just check if set the furniture name and check if that item is in that room. At least that is idea, because I have just one room, I just check with that one. So when you have that furniture name set and we know that item is in the room, so we check if is in the room, and what name is it of that item. If it's big item, big furniture, big container like wardrobe or bookshelf, we just get information that we can't climb straight away on that. Because of that, we will use the move or lift some objects to make a steps or something like this, to have that possibility, maybe not to climb on the wardrobe, but to have access on, for example, box placed on that wardrobe. And like I said, here is the open object. It doesn't work properly, 100% properly. Something wrong with the insertion, with the setting word points. So that's my code, and let me try. So as we see, we get some information that the items, furniture, room and rails are loaded. And the first screen, choose one of the options, number 1. Basically we get a short story, and we can set up a name. I didn't work with the password to hash it or do something with this, so I just use password 1. Okay, hello. Let me give you some advice. Here is we straight away get, because it's like a beginning of the game, we get the help file printed out with basic commands. Not all of them works, and some of the objects, furniture we have in the rooms, you get all the objects not only from that one room but from the whole game. But then it's just check, game will check if that furniture is inside that object. So we can try to climb, for example, on the wardrobe, but in, as you can see, there is no such item, so there is no wardrobe here. So maybe we can climb on, for example, bookshelf. I use that capital checking as changing character to capital or lowercase, so you don't have to worry what letter you will use. I mean, if you will use capital or not, because the program will automatically check it, and if it's necessary, it will change it to correct one. So you climb. No, you can't climb on the bookshelf because it's too high. But we can climb, for example, on the bed. Okay, you are now on the bed. You can look around, get just short version of the room with all the furnitures listed here. So we straight away see what furniture are in the room. What was the other options we have here? Inventory. You can try it with inventory. Help. We check it and open. So inventory, help, and open. So help. You get the help. Inventory. Because it's empty, we don't have anything. And open. So let me try open a bookshelf. Yay. I won't try again because that will straight away broke the code. So we just quit. Oh, even if we don't try, it's broken. Okay, we need to figure it out. That, like I say, I spent too much time trying to figure out what error was with the loading database and the player destructor. That's all. Thank you for watching.